When we went in there, we were going to do the testing again, something like what I did at my factory for the last 25 years. So we went into a room and they had it all set up. And it was just like I do in the past. You know, it was high beeps and low beeps and right ear, left ear, you know, same stuff I'm used to. But then it come to where she was going to say words to me. And that's something I've never had at my factory testing. It's always been sounds, high pitch, low pitch. You can hear birds or you can't hear birds. She started saying words to me in my right ear. And then I knew I wasn't doing good. And I would say, I don't understand. I can't hear that or whatever. And she would say, well, just guess. So I did. And I knew I was doing poorly. And then it went to the left ear. And I felt like I was doing pretty good then with the sound. And so after it was done, we went to another room and she gave me the results. Well, I only got 40% right with my right ear. That was pretty important. I know I was guessing. I probably wouldn't have got 20. And she said then it was right on the borderline to having a cochlear implant, like the specialist told me.